There's not many resources for families that have kids with disabilities in the community. The Cougars Climb Adaptive PE program is a 6-week program. Kids with disabilities from the community come in anywhere between the ages 5 to 21 years. It allows them the chance to work on different motor skills through sports, games, and physical activity.
Even my son's gym teacher, right? Like, I think they have a struggle with teaching my son. So if they had something like this, it would give the child an opportunity to be a part of an inclusion-based environment.
I was so surprised to see my son actually stay in the program for such a long time. Generally, he won't be able to stay in a sports program for like 1 hour, but I can see the effort the students put in there.
On top of the community aspect, there was a need for our students to gain that authentic learning experience.
My major, I'm going to be doing a lot of in the field work soon. This program especially helps because I might want to minor in special education, and this is a good start to understand how to work with these kids. This is a good learning experience overall.
I didn't know anything about adaptive PE before, and then with Dr. Stribbing doing all of this, I'm interested now. Had I not had this opportunity or experience, I don't think I would have been like, oh, maybe adaptive PE is for me. So I think that everybody in PE should have this experience.